School stand. School sit. School stand. School spin around in little circles. Okay, school stop. School take a jump to the left. School take a step to the right. Put your hands on your hips. School, bring your knees in tight. School, do the pelvic thrust. It really drives me insane.
It's just a jump to the left.
And then a step to the right.
With your hands on your hips.
You bring your knees in tight. There is the pelvic thrust. It really does you insane. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again.
It's just a jump to the left.
And then a step to the right.
With your hands on your hips.
You bring your knees in tight. There is the pelvic thrust. It really does you insane. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again.
School sit.
Morning all. Morning. Gordon. Ron. Catherine. Julie. Asma. So-Yi. Clara. Janet. Arlene, Reginald, Sonia, Hilary, Elaine, Ellen, Bishu, David and Glynis, Jerry.
I know, Mr. Manning.
Good morning, Jerry. Right, not much of a turnout today, it would seem. Yeah, today's lesson is going to be on our new activity at KG5. So, let's be introduced to the wonderful world of words. Today's word, CAS. Does anybody know what CAS stands for?
I know, Mr. Manning.
Anybody? Anybody else? No? No? CAS stands for constantly annoying students. Has anybody got any questions?
Mr. Manning, why are you wearing a scarf? It's 32 degrees.
It's, your point is?
Mr. Manning, Mr. Manning, where are all the students?
it's CAS week, which means you go on activities, and school's not over because it's CAS week. It's CAS week. All right. To demonstrate what the meaning of CAS is, I have for you. Nobody saw me do that. I have for you a video, an 80s video about CAS. Yes, Jerry.
Why the 1980s?
Why is it the 1980s? The only thing that was left in the box. Now shut up and have a look.
Look around you. Just look around you. Have you found what we're looking for yet? Yes, that's right. CAS. CAS is covered under page 337 of your textbook. At various points in the program, questions will be asked at which you can answer in your copybook on page 4. But where did CAS come from? The widely accepted theory claims that CAS was invented by mountain-dwelling ninjas, who then entrusted the secret with a sea otter, who then betrayed them and gave it to a Frenchman, who then went on to take over the world in 1428, mainly because everyone else was asleep at the time. However, none of this really matters, as the French Empire collapsed within 3 hours.
Experiment 1.
In this experiment, we are trying to determine whether CAS is indeed intelligent. The scientist is placing the CAS into a clamp stand. Notice how the scientist is tightening the clamp stand. Make a note in your copybook now. The scientist is using a new type of hearing aid called an hero tube, which allows you to hear through the medium of a tube. Write that down in your copybook now. The CAS is completely silent. This indicates a healthy specimen, as CAS normally cannot make any sounds at all. The scientist is now asking the CAS a simple equation. What is 1 plus 2? As we can see, the answer is incorrect. No, CAS is not intelligent. But what effect does CAS have on a student?
Experiment 2.
This is Sebastian Grodzki of the Military Academy of Meat Products, or MAMP for short. Sebastian is being placed into the holding cabinet, where he will stay for the duration of the experiment. Make a note of that in your copybook now. Another scientist carefully places the CAS on Sebastian's lap, and then closes the door. Many hours later, as we can see, the CAS has completely devoured Sebastian's flesh. This process is known as castration. Make a note of that in your copybook now. Bless you, Sebastian. Sebastian. Experiment 3. In this experiment, we are testing whether CAS has the ability to levitate. Notice that the CAS is placed on a basket, a blue basket. This is very important. Make a note of that in your copybooks now. The CAS is then removed from the blue basket and placed onto the clamp stand. Liquid sparrow is applied, about 0.05555 milligrams. Make a note of that in your copybook now. Yes, the CAS does levitate. We hope you enjoyed today's episode, and next week we will be looking at brainstorms.